welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now, I figured we just do a POV drive through downtown Houston. It's been a minute since I've done like a regular POV drive video, and honestly, I haven't even really been downtown Houston yet, and I've been living in Houston, Texas for far too long, so I think it's time that we definitely go ahead and explore the city that I live in now. It's actually kind of sad. I've been here for like 8 months, and I've yet to actually really get out, so we're about to see what's popping, find out what's going on up here. I will say, downtown Houston is way, obviously, it's a lot smaller than Chicago. Well, I don't think I need my GPS anymore because I'm definitely downtown Houston. Woohoo! You know what? We can turn, why not? Let's turn right here. Okay, here's some people. Oh man.
Turn right.
I mean, it's probably should turn right here though. That man said launch it. Hell nah. I'm about to alert all of Houston's finest around me. Hey, this fucking, oh shit, looks like they bumping over there. I'm not gonna lie, these roads out here are really shitty. Like, what the hell, Houston? Like, I can't even like go fast downtown Houston. This shit crazy. These bumpy ass roads. Let me get off this road. What's insane is like, I can't believe there's like not that many cars out right now. Like, it's a Saturday night. Like, is there something that I'm missing right now? Like, I gotta be missing something right now, because I was expecting it to be popping. Like, it's a ghost town. I don't know, man. I think we're about to just head out. Back to the channel, everyone. It's the next day. Actually, technically, well, no, it is the next day. Because I was out real late, but hope you guys enjoyed that night cruise. It's kind of crazy because like downtown Houston at like 12 a.m., 1 in the morning is nowhere near as popping as I thought it would be as opposed to like Chicago at 12 a.m. 1 in the morning, because like it's nice as hell. It was like 75, 80 degrees outside at night. Maybe I was just in the wrong spot. Now I'm gonna go cruise to a different location around the same time one of these nights and see if it's the same, because that was kind of depressing, I'm not gonna lie. Like I saw more of Houston's finest than I saw like people out enjoying the nice weather. Like I was like, yo. Yeah, this shit funny, bro. The reactions I get in this car. Maybe it's just that weather like this just isn't, I guess for me, it's not normal, but I guess out here it is normal, because I guess 75 degrees at night ain't really shit out here. Just kind of cruising the car, not going too crazy. I still gotta do some of the maintenance things, so we're not gonna go buck wild just yet. It was crazy because like I went like an entire week of doing nothing but like hard pulls up to like 130 miles an hour, which realistically I shouldn't be really doing in this car, but hey, whatever. Now I'm just like, I got the chill sesh where I'm just cruising there at like 40-50 miles an hour, just, you know, enjoying the scenery and whatnot. Alright, y'all, the wind's crazy, but I thought this was funny. Smart Financial Center. And this thing's right in front of it. Oh, man. Hey, race car, fuck it. And as soon as I come out to record a video, got that crazy ass wind going. Jesus. Alright, y'all, so I'm back on my side of town now. I had to get out of Copland, aka Sugarland. A lot of you guys have been recommending to stay out of that area, which you guys are true about that. They are ruthless over there. The cops don't like anything but like sedans and trucks. But I just realized this 5 months ago today is when I officially started the built motor kind of setup for this car. Now obviously, flashback 5 months prior, would I have thought by now at least the short block would have been done? Yes, but it is what it is, you know, waiting on parts. I was told like the crankshaft, which is like the last thing I need, was like a month out, like a month ago. So hopefully everything's gonna start, you know, rolling together and everything start getting put together, because I would love for the short block to be done around July, and then I can get that thrown in like around my birthday, because my birthday is in July. So having the short block, you know, in the car around that time would be amazing. And then obviously over the winter we're gonna finish everything up, because I do want to get used to the car at around like 600 wheel horsepower, and then go ahead and turn it up to, you know, 800, 900, 1,000 when I get more seat time in the car, because that's really important. Because I definitely don't want to jump from like a 400 something horsepower car to like, you know, 1,000 horsepower something car, you know, off rip. So definitely gonna go ahead and get some seat time and just enjoy the car. That's literally what I've been doing right now, is just waiting, cruising, and just enjoying myself. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on those post notifications. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.